Sure, here's a rewritten script for your AI tutorial. Welcome to this quick AI tutorial where I'll introduce you to 7 fantastic free AI tools that can help you create websites, music, and images quickly and easily. Each of these tools can be learned in just 1 minute, and I'll demonstrate the results for you. Let's dive right in. Part 1, Free AI Website Builder 1, Lamp Builder AI. Our first AI website builder is Lamp Builder AI, which offers a forever free plan. To get started, visit the Lamp Builder website. You can find the link in the video description. Click the Sign In button, enter your email address, and then click Sign In with Email. Hey, do you want to get more views and earn money with YouTube? If yes, then you need to check out VidIQ, the best tool for YouTube creators. VidIQ helps you optimize your videos, grow your audience, and rank higher on YouTube. Just click the link in the description and turn on your passive income. Come back to your video. Part 2, Free AI Website Builder 2, Framer AI. Our second AI website builder is Framer AI, which also offers a free plan. To get started, visit the Framer AI website, link in the video description. Navigate to the pricing menu and select the Try for Free button. You can register using your Google or email account. After registration, start creating your AI website by describing the type of website you want in natural language in the prompt bar. Click Start with AI and wait for the generation process to complete. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Check the link in the description for quick assistance. Free AI Music Generator 1, Music Star AI. Our first AI music generator is Music Star AI. To use this tool, go to the Music Star AI website, link in the video description. Click the Try Free button and then Sign Up to provide the necessary information. After logging in, navigate to the Music menu, select your preferred music genre, and click Generate to start generating AI music. If you like the result, click the Download button to save your AI-generated music. Part 4. Free AI Music Generator 2, Media.io. Our second AI music generator is Media.io. Visit the Media.io website, link in the video description, select the audio menu, and choose AI Music Generator. Click the Sign Up for Free button and follow the registration process. Afterward, click the Generate Music Now button. Part 5, Free AI Image Generator 1, Ideogram. Our first free AI image generator is Ideogram. Visit the Ideogram website, link in the video description, click the Login button, and sign in with your Google account. Set your image aspect ratio and choose your image style or provide a prompt in the prompt box. Click Generate to create your AI images. Ideogram will provide you with 4 AI image results. Choose the one you like and click Download to save your AI art. Part 6, Free AI Image Generator 2, Crayon AI. The second AI image generator is Crayon AI. Visit the Crayon AI website, link in the video description, click the Sign Up button, and log in using your Google or email account. Part 7, Free AI Image Generator 3, Night Cafe. Our third image generator is Night Cafe. Visit the Night Cafe AI website, link in the video description, click User, and select Login using Google or Facebook accounts. After logging in, click Create to start generating your AI images. You can switch between normal and advanced modes and select your AI model. In this example, we'll use the SDXL 0.9 model. Enter your prompt, choose the number of images, runtime mode, aspect ratio, and overall prompt weight. Click Create to start generating your AI images. After confirming your selection, choose the best image, click Options, and select Download to save your AI art. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to explore more artificial intelligence videos on our YouTube channel. See you in the next one.